Hey mom. Since tomorrow is Father's Day, can I get Dad a Father's Day card?
Yes.
Man, these Father's Day cards are just so boring. I will write a Father's Day card for Dad instead. Hey mom. I've changed my mind. I have decided to write a Father's Day card for Dad instead.
Okay. But don't put any bad words on the card or else you will be grounded.
Okay mom.
I love Father's Day and you.
Hey Dad. Happy Father's Day. Thanks Lontague train. And is that a Father's Day card for me in your hand? Yes it is. Let me see the card.
Lontague train. How dare you write me a Father's Day card with bad words on it? How could you do this to your own freaking father?
I'm sorry Dad. It was only a joke.
No, it's not. That's it. You are so grounded.
What's wrong, Miguel? Why are you so angry at Lontague train?
Because he wrote me a Father's Day card with bad words on it.
Lontague train. How dare you write your dad a Father's Day card with bad words on it? That's it. You are grounded for 6, 8, 5, 4, 3, 6, 8, 6, 0, 4, 5, 4, 0, 4, 9, 6, 5, 4, 4, 7, 7, 5, 4, 4, 6, 7, 8, 7, 4 years. Go upstairs to your room now.
Fine. Screw your mom and dad. And don't you be talking like that either.